Okay, so see this sun visor's off here, and this one I just installed with the new bracket because the old ones were broken off. So I'm going to show you how to take a simple bolt and a piece of aluminum and how to make it so that it works just like that. Works just like a charm. So let's get started. Okay, so tools you'll need is a tap, a drill bit, a drill, and your favorite beverage. So what you do is you mount her up on your vise here. Make sure you got something that you can clamp to, that way you're not going to muck this up, dirty it all up. It would look very bad. And you drill a hole right there, and then you tap it. And then when you do that, say, there we go. There you go. Now, you're not going to leave it like that, of course. Now, if you just have a drill, all you would do is go to a hardware store, get this piece of 5/16 aluminum or brass or steel or whatever you want to use. Make sure it's solid. Now, if you got a power hacksaw, use power hacksaw. Other than that, just use a manual saw. You'll get it. Unless you can do a one cry chop, then you know you got it made. But I got this set up here in the lathe, and I got a 9/32 drill bit, and the reason why is because it fits the head perfectly. So when you're cutting out the piece, you want to measure out the lengths with one of these from Woodpecker, or just use a pencil or whatever you got laying around. It's up to you. But I'm gonna go at least 3/4 of a way through. That way this head goes through, and it's gonna be sticking out about this far. That way it's got a good clear path to bite onto. Then after I'm done, I'll install it on the car, and I might plug these off, I might not. I'm not 100% sure if I am. If I am, I'm just going to use that all thread there, turn it down to this diameter, then plug it. I might not. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But here we go. Here we go. That's enough. Now we should have a little bit sticking out. It just holds perfect. Yep, that's perfect. Okay, now tap it and we'll install it. So let me go grab the tap. I'll be back. And when you feel it really grab, just back it off. You want to clean this tap off. Because even though this is aluminum, see that? You might not be able to see that, but a little piece of metal like that, bust your tap. Here we go. Now, take your screw and you get your Allen key. And just send her home. There we go. I like that. Now let's put her on the sun visor, huh? It ain't going nowhere. Now, let's install it. Alright, so here we go. Okay, I had to use two hands, but got one up there. So, let's get the other ones on here, huh? Hold on. Okay, let's get the last one in, huh? Now for that, you need to move the sun visor out. That way you can reach that hole. Okay, last screw. There we go. Try her out. Look at that. That's it, guys. That's how you fix it if your sun visors are broke. That little tab or rod or whatever you want to call it. If it's broke, that's how you fix it. Alright, later.